Right. So the previous session we discussed different type of variables, and we discussed conditions like how it will going to work, if condition, if else statements, and the else if statement, and case statement, as well as we discussed how to use operators, and as well as how to use conditional operators, and as well as logical operators. So those are the concepts we have seen in previous session. So let's continue for this session. So here we can see loop concepts. Why we need the loops? Any idea why we need the loops? Whenever you have more than one record to fetch the data, okay? So it's a general terminologies. When you have more than one record to fetch the data, so at that time loop concepts it will come. There may be a situation when you need to execute a block of code on several number of times. So far as of now, how many times we are executed our code? Only one time we are executed. Only one time we are executed. So now the situation is changed. Now I want to display all the records. So I want to display all the records means you want to execute same code in multiple times. Record by record you want to execute. So you will going to introduce loops concept. You can going to use the loops concept. And automatically the loop will going to repeat it. I mean, it will going to execute record by record. It is going to continuously going to execute. So we have a condition when until the condition is true, the loop is going to repeat it always. Once the condition is false, it is going to exit from the loop. So it's very interesting concept. We will going to see different type of examples today. So you people going to feel it. It's really interesting concept. Let's start it now. So basic loop. So basic loop is just starts with the loop and with end loop. So what is the drawback on this? So here it is simply it will going to use the loop and end loop statement. But basic loop is mandatory to exit condition. So while when we are going to using loop concept, simply loop and loop, must and should exit statement is needed inside of the loop. Okay, if that is not there, it will went to where? What will happen if you are not going to keep exit condition? What will happen?
Continuous looping is happening.
Infinite loop it will went. Infinite loop. Okay, called as a infinite loop. Okay, if you enter to infinite loop, what will happen? System will going to hang. Understand? Be careful.
Yes,
when we are using basic loop, must and should to take into the some exit statement. I mean, I'm not saying that exit statement, saying that some condition inside. The condition should have to pay false sometime during the execution time. Let's see. And we have while loop also. So while loop is going to retrace that repeat the statement of a group of statements until given condition is true. So while statement until the statement is true, it is going to continuously repeating. Once the condition is false, it will going to exiting that loop body. For loop. For loop is going to, it's a sequence of statements, so multiple times it is going to executing continuously. For loop also it will work like a loop, but you no need to put any exit condition. For loop itself, it will going to take, for loop is always accepting that inner bound, outer bound range of values. Okay, if it is range of values, then once the range is over, automatically it will going to terminate the loop. Next loop means loop within the loop. Per loop within the loop, we can going to use it. Now let's see. Here we can going to see simple statements now. Okay. So I will going to ask few questions now. So try to answer those things. So we people going to understand looping concept, how that looping concept is important. Sorry, username I put it wrong. Right. So now basic loop. So if you start loop means immediately what you need to do? End loop.
End loop.
Yeah. So inside what we will going to do? You can write it n number of statements. Understand, whatever the statements you want, you can write it n number of statements.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose the dbms output underscore line, some message I printed. What will happen? It is continuously going to loop is going to repeat it. Infinite loop it will going to happen. Begin means immediately you need to end up.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you use begin and end means it should be exception. If it is exception, mandatory exception command is when others than. When others than. Understand? So now you can going to, now this is a basic loop statement syntax.
Semicolon,
This is
sir.
a, so this is a basic loop syntax. Understand? Now how do you, now just I want to print some 10 numbers. How do I will going to print 1 to 10 numbers? 1, okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to print this data. What is the logic you people going to use it now?
First of all, declare a variable, sir.
Forget about declare variable. How you will going to say that declare variable work? First, see, don't think that the small things, all of you, okay, I'm not pointing anyone. Think it first to understand the requirement clearly. That is very important. If what I'm asking you people are not understanding that, how are you going to answer it first of all? Yes or no? My question is, I want to print 1 to 5 numbers. How do you going to print this name using loops concepts? Anyone tell me idea?
By using conditions, sir.
Okay, what condition you want, right? Tell me.
For
So
some,
simple thing is you will going to write it begin and end. Okay, that is there anyhow. Okay, next to.
yes, yes, sir. Loop, sir. Inside the
Okay,
loop.
you are going to write a loop inside loop and loop. Okay, that's also done. Next to.
In loop, write a condition, sir.
Okay, what condition you want to put? If condition.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, if condition means end if. Okay, perfectly fine. How do you going to write condition? A less than or equal to 5?
Yes, sir.
Then no. Then no. Now you want to write the dbms statement?
Yes, sir.
dbms underscore output dot
Put line.
dot put underscore line. Okay. Now it's a number. What I want to print now? A, right? A is a variable, right?
Is a variable, sir.
Now you have to declare.
But we are not mentioned.
Not mentioned. A is a number.
Yes, sir.
That's all.
And initialize with 1, sir.
What initialized with 1? Here starting you want with 1 number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So starting with 1. Okay, perfectly fine. Is it done? Tell me, is it done? If I execute, what will happen? It went to infinite loop now. So I stopped it. See, even after stopping also, still it's loading.
Yes, sir.
Why it went to infinite? Tell me. See, now I need to terminate this. So otherwise it will not going to work. So it went to hang. So it went to infinite loop.
We are giving a equal to 1, but it not increments, sir. Always it is 1 and loop is continuously executing, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
How
sir.
do you going to overcome now? Let's 1 second. I think it's going to hang. Shall we terminate and write again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I terminated. Now do this. See, so you should have to increment the value x equal to x assignment equal to x plus 10. What will happen now? The loop is going to start working on. Now initially 10 is printed. After 10 plus 10, x equal to assignment equal to x plus 10. So that means 20 greater than 50 condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, then it is coming out of that if condition. Yes or no? The condition is true. So what is the output will come? Tell me now here. First, what will print? 10 will print, right? Next.
20.
20, sir.
How 20 will print? Tell me.
X value is 10.
Okay.
And
X
adding
plus
the
9 is 10 plus 10.
20.
20,
Okay.
sir. And next 30.
No. Try to explain me how that output is coming. Anyone can. Yes, Shirisha, tell me. Hold on, Sai, 1 second.
X
Shirisha,
value.
tell me.
X value. Yes, sir. X value 10, sir.
Okay.
And next X value will check into the X equal to X plus 10. And 10 plus 10 equal to 20, sir. And also check the condition X less than 50. Then it will true. Then going to check the X equal to X plus 20. 30. And until condition is false.
Okay, somewhere you did it. Kiran, can you tell me? Can you explain me? How it will going to print the output?
By taking the conditions of x plus 10.
No. One by one you can tell me, sir. It went to inside loop. Yes, it is printed x. 10 is printed. Again 10 plus 10, 20. Now
Yes,
x is 20. Then what it is doing? Now x value is 20. After that, what will happen?
If it is true,
True or false now? 20 greater than 50.
20 greater than false.
False. False means what will happen? Again, if it is
Again,
false means did it, one second. If it is false means did it enter into inside of the if condition?
no, sir.
No. So that means again it is 20 is printed. Again 20 plus 10, 30. 30
sir.
greater than
50
50.
false.
Condition is false. Again. So now tell me what is the output will come.
20, 30,
Okay.
40,
Okay.
50, sir.
50. That's all.
Yes, sir.
60 will not print.
60, sir. 60 also.
50, 60 would print out. Na?
Yes, sir. 60 is true.
Okay, perfect. So hope all of you understand now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
10 to 50 after exit is going to 60. After exiting 60 will print. Now this loop statement you can going to use it for your case anywhere. But whenever you are using inside of the loop, your condition should be there with exit statement. Keep on mind that is okay. You can going to use it in different scenarios in different ways, but always the exit statement is very important. Now see this exit when condition also you can going to use it directly. So here example is there, right? You can going to do it in the similar case of example. Exit when condition you can use. Exit when condition you can use it. Here exit is there, right? Directly use this exit statement into the when condition itself. Exit. So you can going to write it this directly when. Got it? Directly you can going to use like that way. So exit when this if condition you no need now. So exit condition directly can going to use exit when condition. So it will going to automatically, and the condition is the true, automatically it will going to print. So this is the one. So both things is going to give output only. Exit when condition is false. When this condition is false, automatically it will going to exit the loop. If you want to see what is the encountered symbol and exit. One second. One second. A semicolon is required. Okay, done. See, both are working in the similar way. So exit when condition, you can going to use it your statement. This is very important concept. Keep in mind it is. Okay, now let's move on to the next example. While loop. While loop also, until the condition is the true, then it is going to execute it. Understand? So now what is the difference between loop and while loop? Loop will execute first and then if it is false, then it will exit, print the output and it will going to exit. But while loop is, if the condition is false, it will not come into inside itself. Understand? So what is the output will come now while loop? What is the output will come now? 10.
10, sir.
10. Next, only 10.
After 10 false, it will not go to next condition.
That is the what? What is the output will come in this statement?
10, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me, Revati, what is the output will come? Hello. You people are there. Revati, are you there? Hello. Why we people are not responding? Okay, in the session, maybe if you people are not too far away from the system. What is the output will come now? In this example, yes, Kiran, tell me, try to explain me in this, what is the output will come?
10, sir.
Okay,
10 plus 11, sir.
okay, 10, 11,
12,
12 until
12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
until 19. Okay,
19, sir. 19.
Yes, sir.
okay,
Less than 20.
right. So got it right. Once 19, 20 is coming, condition is failed and it will out of the loop condition. So
Yes, sir.
while condition, don't use it while condition in your day-to-day activities. Okay. So in your day-to-day activities, don't use while condition. So let's move on to that next for loop statement. For loop is really very interesting concept. So we're going to see that for loop. Okay, for this is going to rec variable in. It should be going to lower bound dot upper bound then loop and loop. Okay, so this is going to happening. Now what is rec variable? Rec variable is it is going to storing the values into that rec variable. So it is index variable. Rec variable is called as index variable. I can call it as index variable. Let's see, index some index variable. So now for I in 1 space dot space 10 loop and loop. So this is the one. Now how for loop is going to checking? First for loop, what is the lower bound? 1. What is the upper bound? 10. What is the range is 1 to 10. The for loop is going to checking. The for loop is first checking into this variable 1 and it is moving into index variable of 1. Index of 1. So now you can try to display your value I. What is the variable I is there? You can going to use of I variable. Now what we can do? Value of I1 is going to printed. And again loop is going to started. Next index variable 2, 3, 4, 5 like that it will going to take it up. Complete 1 to 10 it will going to print. Index variables it will come. And now so this is the looping concept. Whatever the loop you can going to use it, you can use it as your wish. If you are going to putting 1 to 10 or 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000 or instead of using 1 and 10, you can going to use it your counter variables as well. So going forward, you will going to see different type of examples. Now let's see how to write a loop within the loop called as a nested loop. So once I started loop means end loop. So if I started end loop means immediately you can going to write one more loop also, loop end loop.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So now what I want to do, suppose let me take a different it's very interesting. Let's see what is the output will come until loop within the loop. So I did 2 loops now. Okay, what loops it is? For loop, right? So I will going to write a for loops, not this one. So for loop I write I in 1 space dot dot space 10. Okay, loop. So I started loop means immediately end loop. Done. End loop done. So if I am going to writing one more loop for j in 1 space dot dot 10. Okay, I started a loop. Okay, if I started a loop means you need to end the loop. End the loop. Okay, so next, what I will try to display, I will going to try to display DBMS statement. DBMS output dot put underscore line. What I want to display here? I want to display I. Okay. I want to display I concatenation of I into I and J also I'm going to display here. I'm going to putting concatenation IJ. I'm putting in single quotes of star, not into star here. You can going to keep the star here. I concatenation of single quotes star I and J. Okay, fine. So now what I will going to do, I into equal condition, one more concatenation single quotes, I will going to use equal to concatenation of I into J. What will happen now? Tell me. I don't know. So something it is going to happen now, right? So simply I'm going to put in begin and end, and if I execute, what will happen now? Okay, successfully completed. What is this one? See, tell me what are those?
10 tables are printed, sir. From
1 into 1 equal to 1, 1 equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2 now.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? No, right? Can you correct it? Say table, can you correct it now? What I need to correct it here?
Change the positions of I and J, sir.
Right. So here it is. J is the first one. Okay. So and I followed by I. Right. So let's clear it and see. Now you can see how it is printed. Tables are printed. Now one person can going to help me how this is going to executed.
Yes, sir.
First of all,
condition control enters the for loop, sir. In for J in 1 means one value is loaded into the J, sir. Yes,
No,
sir.
not
1 in
when
range.
loaded. Initially J value is 1.
Oh, yes, sir. Initially, J value is 1, sir.
Okay.
1 is in between the 1 and 10, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So control enter to the next second loop, sir.
Mm-hmm.
In this loop, we check the I value, sir. First of all, I value is 1 here, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So here J value is 1 and I value is 1, sir.
Mm.
So DBMS underscore output put underscore line. The statement is used to print the 1 into 1 equal to 1, sir.
Mm.
Here J equal to 1 and asterisk star symbol is printed. Next I equal to 1 printed. Next equal to symbol is printed. Next 1 into 1 this is used as arithmetic operator. 1 into 1 equal to 1 and it is printed. First
Now
this is
first loop how many times is repeated? Second loop how many times is loop repeated? I mean first loop is executed how many times? Second loop is executed how many times?
second loop executed 100 times, sir.
Okay.
First loop executed 10 times, sir.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, sir.
So I hope all of you clear now. Right. So now
Yes, sir.
I will going to give some assignment today. 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2. So how do you going to print this now? And 3 3 3 3 3. Tell me now. How to do the coding? Tell me, Kiran. Can you tell me?
Sir.
I want to display the above output.
1 1 2 2 2.
Anyone tell me?
Yes, sir. Five ones, sir.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. First store the value of 5 ones,
Begin.
sir.
Okay. Yes. So who is telling? It's Revati or Shirisha? Begin.
Sirisha, sir.
Shirisha, tell me. Begin and end.
We are using the looping formation, sir.
Okay. So which loop we want to start? You want to start a for loop? Okay. Loop I. In what is the variable range? What is the
1, sir.
variable range? Sorry. Tell me the range.
1,
Think
sir.
and tell me.
1 to
1 2.
1 1 1 1.
Anyone tell me? See, madam. So try to understand it. Now, in this example, what is I, what is J? All of you, Kiran and Sai, Revati, try to look at. Tell me what is J, what is I here? See, you have table, right? Like a table, right? What is a column? What is a row? It's called as a row. Okay.
Yes,
In
sir.
the down, it is 1 to 3 is column. Okay. What is I? What is a J?
I is row and J is column.
J column.
Okay. I is a. What is that? I is a row. I is a row or column?
Row.
Row,
Row,
sir.
sir.
I is row. Okay,
No, sir.
you feel it. I is row. J is column.
Column.
Call.
So J is column. Okay. Now I means row, right? I means 1, always 1. How many times you want to 1 is needed? I
5
is
times.
incremented to 5 times you are going to doing. Why you want to do 5 times? I is only 3 times.
Yes, sir.
I is 1. I is 2. I is 3. That's all right.
Okay.
J is column. J is what you want to do. How many times I want to repeat? How many times J want to repeat? Tell me in this example. How many times I want to increment? I will going to repeat. And how many times J will going to iterate?
Three times, sir.
Sorry.
I 3 times, J 5 times, sir.
Yes, exactly. I 3 times, J 5 times. J is 5 times. Now tell me in this example. I want to 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Loop for loop. Okay. Next
J.
for
For
J.
J
1 to
1 to
1 to
5.
5.
5. Loop. Okay. And loop.
And
What do you want to print now? DBMS. Which one you want to print now?
output.
Underscore line.
I, sir.
I you want to print or J you want to print?
I, sir.
I. Okay. Done. One second. Okay. Now keep on mute if you are not speaking. DBMS output underscore line. So what it is saying? Must be declared. Must be declared. What you need to declare must be.
In begin section.
What begin section you want to declare? Identifier DBMS underscore output underscore line must be declared. DBMS underscore output underscore line.
Output లో OUT.
Right. Spelling mistake. Okay. Output. Okay. Now. Okay. See now. It is coming down. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What you need? You need to come one by one, right? In next line, right? It's come like this. So you have some slash, some n. That how to print the DBMS output next. Some breaking condition. You need some break condition, right? It should not going to break it, right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, output is printing as you are expected only. Understand? But the output is have to come 1, 1, 1, 1. How it will come? Some. So what you have to do? Even I don't know. So how to do? I don't know. So I need to go and Google it and that. So how to display display dbms output. Output. 1 second. Output concatenation. So what is that? One by one we need to keep, right?
Yes, sir.
Slash n new line we can going to use it. So 1 second. Slash in. First of all, what is that? It should have to print into all into one by one, right? So it be going to one by one. It's not going to one by one. We have to display all into normal way. How to check that? And the issue people understand or not? Understand, right? So can you please help me on that? We have to display one is next to one, no? So it's like that we have to come. But here it is coming one by one.
Without second loop also we are print that value, sir.
You want to without second loop means what is that?
Concatenate if items, sir.
How come? No. How we will going to concatenate 5 times? So see, whatever the logic you people use it, that is correct only. Now something you need to add it. Something you need to add it. How we will going to do that? Any idea? Even I don't have any idea actually. So try to help me. So even I don't have idea actually. So how we will going to do that? Some Google it and tell me. So anyone. So how to display the DBMS output with concatenation level. So next 1 to 3, right? It is going to breaking. We no need to break that output. Even I am also going to checking. Okay, so if you people got it, let me know.
Underscore output new line, sir.
New line, huh? What is that? So
Yes, sir.
in this example, you people going to get it so many examples on this. Okay.
Place the DBMS output not new line, sir, at the end of the loop.
To end up the loop, what I need to put?
DBMS underscore output
Okay.
dot
Dot
new line.
new line.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Semicolon.
New line bracket.
No, sir. Semicolon, sir.
New line. What is this? What is this, man?
Not here, sir. At the end of the loop, sir. After
Even even if you end up the loop, okay. If you go into end of the loop, you want to display new line.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then both the loops after you are going to put it new line. Is it put line or new line?
New line, sir.
New line. Okay. Is it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. New line means it will give new line, right? See, nothing difference, right? Nothing difference, right?
So place once place it in between both the loops.
No.
Okay, sir.
It's not the correct, right? No, it's not the correct actually.
Use put method, sir. DBMS underscore output dot put in the loop.
Dot put.
Put underscore
Not
line,
here.
sir.
Not here, sir.
Output output.
In printing of I, sir.
One
Not here.
second. So this line 11, you want to put it into where?
No, sir.
In
Line
this
number,
way?
sir. No, sir.
Do you want?
Change the line number, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me, Sai.
In line number 7, put line. Remove put line and paste the put, sir. Use the put method. Put function.
That's all.
Place the next statement, 8th statement after the end of the loop, sir. 8th line.
Okay. Is it work?
Yes, sir.
What is
In
this
eighth
one?
column semicolon is removed, sir. You have to remove.
Okay. What is this one? Everything is coming as a new line.
Sir, place the output dot place 11th line in between the two loops, sir.
Good. So where you got this one now?
Into patterns in PL.
Yes, sir.
So You googled it and got it.
Yes, sir.
So what you people understand now? So if you are thinking and googling some issue is coming, okay, it will going to help definitely. See now, right? So this is the one that I'm going to expecting. Okay, so one more example. Star, star, single star, 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 3 stars, 4 stars. How do it will come now? Tell me. How the output will come now? Conditions. Hello. Anyone
sir.
tell me please. So how are you going to do it now? How it will print this below output I want. This is the one above one. So I will give some assignments. So all of you do that. Okay. So let's move on to the next concept. So assignment concepts is, let me show you. So star, star, double, triple star, 5 stars until now. Next is 5 stars. Okay, and star, 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 and star, star, and 2 stars, and single star. Okay, and next one is 5 stars. Next is 5 stars, 5 stars. So 5 stars, 5 stars. This is the output. You can try. Okay, next equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you can try. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, 4, and 5, 5, 5. So this output you can try. Okay, so these examples you can try using loops concepts. So let's move on to the next one. So everything I copied and I am going to putting into the folder. So try to practice all of you in this example. So you people no need to worry more. So already you people done. So work that one only. Who created this? No one, right? So I'm putting here. So all of you take it from here and do it your work. So let's move on to next concept. Loops is over, right? So we're going to talk to. So all of you clear, right? Any doubts on loops? Hello. So okay, maybe 1 second. So loops concepts is over. Then we're going to start exceptions next. So these all things we are done. Let's see next PL. See, as of now we are seeing declaring constants, PLSQL literals, operators, arithmetic operators, okay, relational operators, comparational operators, like between, null, logical operators. So these all things we done. Okay, and we done that this flow diagram and syntaxes of if conditions and loops as well. Okay, loops concepts is over, and then now reverse loop. So reverse loop is nothing but just simply you're going to put reverse keyword, that's all. See, suppose what you will going to do, you will going to do 1 to 10 you want to print. How do you going to do 1 to 10 I want to print? Simply begin and that's all. Okay, for loop I in 1 dot
That
1 space dot 10, that's all. Loop 10 and loop.
Yeah.
So you can going to do it. Here you can going to do dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. So what we'll going to print? I. So what will happen? It will print the 1 to 10 numbers. Now if you want 10 to 1, how we will going to display 10 to 1? So now 1 to 10 it is printed. Now if you want to 10 to 1, you can use reverse keyword. After in condition, you can write a reverse keyword. Here it is, reverse. Understand? So now you can go and see. See 10 to 1. See 10, 9, 8, 7, 1. It is going to print the reverse. That's all. It's nothing is beyond that. Simply reverse you can use. That's all. Let's move on to next. Nested loop conditions already we done. Okay. So now this is prime numbers. Prime number is nothing but what is that? Prime number is divided by any prime number is what is that? It is
prime
divided
number
by
is divided
zero
by 2 on its 1 on itself.
1 and itself.
1 and itself, right? So try to practice this example. How to calculate print the prime numbers. Prime number is first the what is the condition it is if it is divided by 1 and as well as it is divided by itself. The remainder should have to come 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The remainder is coming 0 means it's not a prime number, right?
Yes, sir.
See, suppose what are the prime numbers? 2, okay?
3,
2,
5,
Is a prime number, no, right? 3, 5, 7, okay, 11, 13, 17, 23.
9.
These are the prime numbers. So the prime number is that it should not be a remainder 0 and it should be divided by 1 and itself. Called as a prime number. So how we are going to doing in this example? So first what we are doing? So you need to take two variables I and j. So when the prime number is going to starting, it's going to starting by 2. Prime number is going to starting by 2. Okay, one is not a prime number.
Yes, sir.
1 is a odd number, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
now it is going to start by 2. Now whenever you are going to calculating, mode means modular, j of I. So if it is going to 2 comma 2 0, okay, and I equal to j. I is 2, j is 2. Condition is true. It is true means what will happen? It's exit the loop. It's exit the loop, and then it is jump into next if condition. In the next if condition, I value is 2, j value is 2. It's a prime number. Understand? So 2 is a prime number. Then next is what is the I value? I value is incremented by 1. So that means 2 plus 1, 3. Now 3 is equal to 50. No, condition fail. Condition fail means let me show it. This is very interesting concept. Okay, so try to understand how this looping is going to happen. So you people understand how this iteration is happening, so you people can able to do it your coding style. Let's show you that. Now see in this example what we are going to doing, how we want to print 2 to 50 prime numbers. What is the question? Query to display to print the below 50 prime numbers. To print below 50 prime numbers. Okay, 50 prime numbers. What do you mean by first? Prime number is nothing but prime number is it is divided by
1 and itself.
1 and itself. 1 second, let me divided by 1 and itself. 1 second, give me a minute. Hello, sorry. How it is divided by 1 and
1 and itself.
Hello, sir. You
Hello, sir.
sorry, I'm talking on mute actually. Right. So now, what is I value? What is J value? I value is 2, j value is 2. What will happen if it is coming inside of the loop, and now it is going to checking I value is 2, mode of I comma j 2 comma 2. What is the output will come? Modular 2 comma 2 0, right?
Yes.
Yes
0
or
equals
no?
to 2.
Right, 0. And I equal to j equal to 2, I equal to 1. Condition is true. So both the conditions are true, right?
Yes, sir.
So condition is true means it is going to exit that loop. This loop, what is the first loop we have, right? It is going to exit that first loop. This loop is exited. Now it is coming down and is checking j is equal to I. 2 equal to 2. 2 is printed. 2 is a prime. And now I value is incremented to 3. Now I equal to 50. So I means 3. 3 equal to 50. Condition is failed.
False.
So condition failed means it is going to out of loop condition. It is out of the loop condition. So now out of the loop condition, where it is going to control goes? Now tell me, once this loop is exit, where control goes? Where control goes? Hello.
In loops, sir.
Where control goes?
I equal to 2, sir.
Right. It will go to I here, line number 5. What is the I value now? What is the I value now?
I equal to 3, sir. Now.
3, sir.
I equal to 3. Right. J value is 2.
2, sir.
I value is 3. J value is 2. Now mode of I comma 3. That means 3 I comma
3,
j, right?
2.
3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Is it coming 0? No,
No,
right?
sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Is it condition is the true? 3 equal to 2?
No, sir.
Condition is
False.
not true. So false. That means it's moving into j. Now j value is
3, sir.
j value is 3. Now
Yes,
again
sir.
it went to top. Now it will going to checking the condition 3 comma 3, mode of 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 3. So condition is true. So it is jumping from the loop. I value 3, j value 3. Now 3 is printed. 3 is a prime number. Now I value is incremented to 4. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now I value
Yes,
is
sir.
incremented to 4. 4 equal to 50. Condition is false.
False, sir.
False means
I equal to
false
3.
means it's going to jump the loop or within the loop.
Jump.
Out of the loop, sir.
See, I value is now 4, sir. 4 is equal to 50. Condition is true or false? False. False means a
False.
condition will going to exit.
Yes, sir.
Condition is going to exit or not? Tell me that.
Not, sir.
No. So then it will jump to top. Now I value is
4.
I value is 4.
Okay.
J value is
3.
2.
3.
3,
J
sir.
value 2 always again.
Now 2, sir.
Okay.
2, sir.
Here you are initialized 2, right?
Yes, sir.
See.
Okay.
Now J value is 2. I value is 4.
4.
Mode of 4 comma 2 0 condition, right? True. Okay, true means it will increment J value again. Okay. Sorry, it will true means it's exit the condition. Understand? True means it's exit the condition. It is coming and checking here. J value is 2. I value is 4. This condition is
4.
failed. Condition failed, right? 4 equal to 2.
Sir.
So condition failed means what will happen now? J value is increment, I value is incremented again. I is 5 now.
Yes, sir.
I is 5, 5 equal to 50. Condition is false. So
False.
the, again it will go to top. J value 2, I value 5. 5
5.
comma 2. 5 comma 2. Condition is true.
Condition false.
False.
False. Now J value is 3. 3 comma 5. 5 comma 3. Condition is true or false? False. Now J value is incremented 4. 5 comma 4. 5 comma 4 means condition is false.
Condition
Now
false.
again J value is 5. Okay. 5 comma 5.
Condition
True.
is true.
True means it's the jump of the loop. Now what is the J value and high value? Both are 5. 5 comma 5. 5 is printed. Now I value is 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
J value is 2.
True.
6 comma 2. Condition is
Condition false.
True, sir.
6 comma
Sir.
2
True,
true.
True, sir.
True means it's jumping out of here. 2 comma 6 in if condition 2 comma 6.
Sir.
Condition true or false?
False, sir.
True.
False.
False. 2 comma 6 false. So now I value is incremented 7.
Yes, sir.
Hope you people understand. Now anyone else explain me. Minute, give me a minute. Sorry, yeah, tell me now. So, who want to explain this? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
who want to explain this?
Yes, sir. I will explain, sir.
Okay, go ahead, please.
First of all, we initialized I equal to 2, sir. Next,
You can go ahead. If it is something went wrong, I will interfere.
next inside the loop j equal to 2, sir. In second loop, exit when mod of I comma j equal to 0 or j equal to I. We are checking the both the conditions, sir. If any one of the condition is true, loop exits, sir. Control exit out of the loop. Now we have to check mod of 2 comma 2 equal to 0. Yes, sir. This condition is okay, sir. True, sir. So control exits the loop, sir. Next, control goes to if, sir. If 2 equal to 2, sir. Then dbms underscore output dot put line 2 is prime, sir. 2 is printed here, sir. Next, if is ended, sir. If block is ended here. Next, I value is incremented to I plus 1. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3, sir. Exit when I equal to 50. Okay. This condition now I value is 3 equal to 50, sir. Condition is wrong, so So control next goes to J, this place j equal to 2, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
J
tell
value.
me, 1 second. J value is incremented by how many times? I value is incremented by how many times? And first loop is going to executed by how many times? Second loop is going to executed by how many times? Who want to help on that one?
I value incremented by 49 times, sir. 48 times.
Okay, 49 times. Okay, 48 times. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
J
Okay,
value.
fine. Hold on, Sai. What happened to others? Try to respond, others also. మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి, మీకు అది అర్థం చేసుకోవటానికి ట్రై చేయండి. మీరు సైలెంట్ గా ఉంటే దేర్ ఈస్ నో యూజ్ అన్నమాట. ఒకసారి ట్రై చేస్తే కదా మీకు తెలిసి వచ్చేది. స్పీక్ అవుట్. Okay. So let's. I hope you people are understand. Even that also, please confirm me. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So who want to explain it except Sai? If it is clear, who want to explain? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Shirisha, tell me.
Yes. Begin I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. We have two variables ij. I equal to 2 and next loop j equal to 2 and exit when mod of I value 2 and j value 2 equal to 0. 2 equal to 2 comma 2 condition is true, or j equal to I. Here j value 2 and I value 2 condition is true. Then going then end the loop, sir, and after
And
next
the
if
loop means
condition
line number. Tell me line number. You can tell me. So
12,
if
sir.
that condition is the true, what
Looping
will
condition.
happen?
Then jump into the if condition, sir.
Okay, perfect.
J equal to I, sir. Here j value 2 and I value 2. Then output is dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Here I value 2. 2 is a prime. If 2 is a
Okay.
prime, will print it, sir.
Okay.
And I equal to I plus 1. Here I value 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then conditions exit when I. Here I value is 3. 3 equal to 50. Condition is false. Then going to the I, sir. I equal to 2. In here I value 3. I equal to 3, sir. And j value 2. Exit when mod of I value 3. 3 comma 2. Condition is false, sir. Or j comma j equal to I, sir.
Okay.
Condition false, then j equal to j plus 1. Here j value 3, sir.
Okay. Okay.
J equal to
J
j
value.
plus 1, sir.
Okay.
3 comma 3, sir.
Okay. Next.
If condition మళ్ళీ after finishing the condition, if j equal to I, here j value.
No. What is the j value? What is the I value?
I value 3, sir.
Okay. What is the j value?
They are incrementing j value 2, sir.
J value is incremented 3, I value is incremented 3, both are mode is 3 comma 3, it is a 0, condition is true. If the condition is true, what will happen?
Loop exits, sir.
Okay, and it will goes to
I equal to exit when I equal to 50, sir.
why it will went to there. Okay, you are exit the loop of when it is a mode of I comma j, right? Then it will goes to where? Line number 10 is condition is true, it is exit. Then it will goes
Yes,
to
sir.
where?
J equal to J plus 1, sir.
If statement.
Understand? The line number 10 is going to condition is true and it is exit. Then the control goes to where?
If condition, sir.
Right, if condition. What will happen in the if condition?
In the if condition, 3 equal to 3, sir.
Okay. And
Then
3 is
DBMS.
printed. Next, 3 is
Yes, sir.
printed. Then,
I equal to I plus 1, sir. Here I
okay.
value 3. 3 plus 1
Hmm.
equal to assigning
Hmm.
the I value in 4, sir.
Uh,
4 equal to 50. Its
hmm.
condition false. Again into the
Hmm.
top one I equal to 4, sir.
Hmm. What is the J value?
Yes, sir. J
What
value
is the
2,
J
sir.
value? Okay. 2 comma 4.
Condition true, sir.
Hmm.
2 comma 2 equal to 0 or J equal to I. Condition
Hmm.
true, then it will comes into the if condition, sir.
Hmm.
J equal to I. Here J value
Hmm.
2, sir.
Hmm.
And
Condition
I
true or
value
false?
condition true, sir. 4 comma 2 equal to 0.
I'm talking about next level. That already you are true and you are jumping out.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
If J equal to I, sir.
hmm.
If J
Uh,
value 2
hmm.
and I value
Hmm.
4, sir.
Okay.
Then
True or
DBMS
false?
under
True or
2 equal to
false?
false, sir. 2
False.
equal to
Then
4. Jump
hmm.
into the I equal to I plus 1, sir. Exit
Print will
when
happen or
I.
not?
No, sir.
Right.
When condition is false, print is not displayed, sir.
Okay. What is the value
I
now?
5, sir. 4
Okay.
plus 1, 5.
Okay.
Again, condition will check 5 equal to
Okay.
50. Then we'll go
Hmm.
into the I equal to 5, sir.
Hmm.
Loop J equal to 2, sir.
Hmm.
Exit when mode of I value 5, comma,
Hmm.
and J
Hmm.
value 2. 5 comma
Right.
2 condition false, sir.
Okay.
Then again check into the J equal to J plus 1, sir. Here J
Hmm.
value 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, sir.
Hmm.
Condition false, sir.
Okay.
5 comma 3 equal to 0. Not checking if
Hmm.
J equal to I, sir. Here
Hmm.
J value 3 and I value 5, sir. Condition false.
Okay.
I equal to I plus 1, sir. Here I value
Why I
5
is
plus 1,
coming now again?
sir.
Correct, madam. J value is 3. I value is 4. 3 comma 4. Condition is failed. What will happen next?
Again J value incrementing, sir.
Second J value is incremented. Now J value is 4.
4.
I value is 4. I value is 4. Next what will happen?
Condition true, sir.
Okay.
If j equal to I, then here j value 4.
Okay. Now suppose, let's go on now. Suppose I value is 13. Okay. Now it is
Okay.
printed up to 9. 9 is printed prime number. Next is going to 11 is printed prime number and 13. I value is 13. Next tell me how iteration will going to happen. Hold on, Shirisha. Revati, can you tell me? Now I value is 13. So what's happening next? Are you there, Revati?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Revati. See, 1 to 11 it is printed. 1 is print, 2 is printed, 3, 5, 7, 11 is printed. Now 13, I value is 13. So how it will going to loop is going to iteration is happening now. Hello.
I equal to 13, loop when j equal to 2, exit
Okay.
when mode of 13 comma 2. Condition is false.
Okay.
So end the loop if j equal to 2 equal I equal to 13. So condition is fails, sir.
Okay. Fails. Then
Again we come into I equal to I plus 1. 13 plus 1 is 14.
how it will going to come 13 plus 1, 14. The condition is, you told it is condition is failed. If it is condition is failed, why, how you will going to come into I plus 1? How do you going to come in this place? See, when you are going to exit this loop,
Condition is true, sir.
if condition is true, then only it will going to exit. Now you said
Yes, sir.
mode
Condition
of
is
I comma j. 1 second. Mode of I comma j, j equal to I, right? So I is 13, j is 2. Is the condition
2.
is true?
False, sir.
False means are you going to exit?
No, sir. Increment the j value.
What is the j value now?
2 plus 1, 3, sir.
3. Next.
End the loop.
If
3 equal to 13.
Okay.
J value is 3. I value is 13. Condition is false.
Okay. Next.
Again moving into I value.
Where, which line tell me? Line number tell me.
I think line number 5, sir.
5. 5, how you will
No,
go
sir,
into
18.
5?
18, sir.
How you will go into 18 until this is not failed? It's not true. See, 13, 3, it's not true. Okay, j
Yes.
value is 4. 4 and 13, it's not true. How we will jump into 18?
Again we are going to check the line number 10.
Okay.
And the j value is incremented 4. 3 plus 1, 4. End the loop. If j value is 4 and I value is 13, the condition is false. Again we'll moving into line number 10. Again we'll check the condition. Mode of 13 comma j value is 4. So condition is false. Again we incremented the j value. 4 plus 1 is 5. End the loop. If 5 equal to 13, condition is false. Again, we are moving into line number 10.
11, right? Incrementation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 11, sir. 5 plus 1 is 6. End the loop. If 6 equal to 13, condition is false. Again, we are moving into line number 11.
Until where it will go? When condition is
Condition
going to
is
true. When it is going to true.
I value is J value is 13 and I value is 13. The condition is true.
True.
And after
Then what will happen?
we moving into if condition, sir. 14th line.
14th line.
Sorry,
Yes.
sir. 18.
Okay.
13 equal to 13. Then we'll print the output.
13 is a prime. Next what will happen?
And if I value is I equal to I plus 1, I is 13 plus 1 is 14, sir. We are moving into line number 5. I equal to 14.
Wait. Now I value is 5, right? After 18th line, from 18th to where it will move?
Exit, sir.
Exit. What
when
is the
I value
condition?
check. I value is 13. 13
or
equal
14?
to 15. 14, sir. 14 equal to 50. Condition is false.
So then
We're moving into line number 5. Again, we check the condition.
Line number 5 now. Why you will go for 5? Line number inside of the loop, right? It will move to 10. Condition inside of the loop.
Yes, sir.
Tell
Mode
me.
of
Next.
14 come 2. Condition is true.
Okay.
We're moving into line number 14. End loop. Moving into line number 14. J value is 2 and I value is 14. So condition false. Again, we are checking into exist line number 10, sir. I value is 14 and J value is 2. We incremented the J value.
Okay.
J equal to J plus 1.
I value is 14 or 15 now?
15, sir.
Okay.
End the loop. If J value is 2 equal to I value is 15, the condition is false. Again, we are checking into J value.
Tell me. Next. I value is 15. J value is 2. Now J value is incremented 3. 15 comma 3. True or false?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Revati. అర్థమైందా? Hello.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా
Hello, sir.
కాన్సెప్ట్? Are you understand now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. But still you are confusing. So hope all of you understand this concept. Okay. So let's move on to the next. So next loops already we done. Okay. So it's a small example, so people can going to practice it. So this is going to the same thing. What we used it for prime numbers. So moving on to this next one, labeling concept is, it's a labeling concept means, so we are going to giving the name outer loop or inner loop. It is names, we'll going to give it double quote and double open braces, double closed braces. This is loops can be labeled, you can going to use it. So what will happen if you want to jump from one location to another location, at that time we're going to use it labeling concept. But my recommendation is 99% don't use this concept. So if you are going to use this concept during the program running, so most of conditions it will be going to missing to execute it. Okay, so just keep on mind labeling, but don't use it. Okay. Loops control statements is exit statement, continue statement, and go to statement. So exit is used to whenever the condition you want to loop, whenever you want to stop the loop, you can going to use the exit statement. If the condition is true, automatically it will going to exit the loop. Continue is going to, even if the condition is fails, but you want to continue, you can use the condition continue statement. Go to statement means it will going to help to jump from 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 1000. From, see, suppose the control will going to executing one by one, right? So whenever you are using go to statement, first it is going to execute it first 1 to 50 lines. In the 15th line, you are using go to statement. Go to the 1000th line. So automatically it is going to skipping, bypassing that all the statements, and it is moving into 1000th line. Recommendation is don't use go to statement. So use exit and continue statements only. Understand?
Yes.
So here you can see this, if the condition is true, then it is going to exit. In the same, now you can going to use it continue also. It's very simple. So if you, whenever you condition you want to jump, so you can going to jump it. So let's see. It's very simple one. What is the output will come now? Anyone tell me? What is the A value? 10.
10,
10 will
11.
go, 10 is printed, 11 is printed, 12 is printed, 13, 14, 15 is printed. 16, whenever 16 is coming, what will happen? Condition is true, 16 greater than 15. So it will come inside and it is going to terminate the loop. So 1 to 15. Now, let's see, suppose in the same example, you can going to use continue also. Even condition is failed, you want to continue the statement. You can going to use that continue. Instead of exit, you can going to use continue statements. So now let's see, go undo. Oh, 1 second, let's clear this script. Okay, now you can see 10 to 15 is printed, right? The second one, continue one, is 10 to 19 is printed. How 10 to 19 is printed? Because there's 16, condition is true, continue. That means loop is continuing. Until while condition fails, it is going to continue. Understand? So that is the use of continue. Even so in the real-time cases, so you people are going to doing some insert statements, are going to inserting data until your statement fails, but still you will going to continue the execution process using the continue keyword. Go to statement, strongly recommended, don't use it. So this is only for Go to statement is jumping from that one position to another position. Where you are using that jumping position, automatically it will going to jump it. Okay, let's continue statements. Already we have seen the condition is true also, it will not going to exit the loop and it will going to continue. And now go to statement. So this is very dangerous one, so don't use this one. First of all, unconditionally jumping from one position to another position. Understand? Suppose if you have 100 lines, you are going to using go to statement in line number 30. What you are saying, please jump from 30 to 100. So automatically it is bypassing from first to 31 to 99 lines, it is jumping. So whatever you are doing code, so nothing will going to execute on that. See now, statement 1 is executed. You said go to that label 3. Label 3 means immediately it is jumping from statement 3. So you can see here, suppose loop starts while it is going to executing, and here go to loop starts again. So once here we are using end. So it is once coming to in this position, we are saying to go to again, control goes to starting. So internally like that it's going to working. So go to statement, we have lots of restrictions. So just gone through this information and don't use it most of the cases. So next we can going to use string functions. So we'll discuss on next session string functions.